The music is nice. I am tired.
We are almost home. Just 5 more minutes.
Wait, look in the mirror.
What is it?
There are lights behind us. Red and blue lights.
Is it an ambulance?
No, it is a police car.
Is he chasing someone else?
He's right behind our bumper.
Oh no, I think he is signaling me.
Yes, the siren just turned on.
It is me. I'm getting pulled over.
Don't panic, Tom. Just breathe.
Was I speeding? I was going 40.
I don't think you were speeding.
Why is he stopping me?
I don't know. Just pull over safely.
Okay, I'm turning on my signal.
Slow down gradually. Don't stop suddenly.
I see a safe spot on the right.
Yes, park over there under the streetlight.
My hands are shaking.
It is okay. Just follow the rules.
I'm stopping the car now.
Okay, put the car in park.
Parked. Now what?
Turn off the engine right now.
Engine is off.
Tom, turn on the inside light
The dome light? Why?
so the officer can see inside. It is dark.
Good idea. Click, light is on.
Now roll down your window.
All the way down?
Yes, all the way. He needs to hear you.
Okay, window is down.
Should I get my ID?
No, don't move your hands yet.
You are right. Sudden movements are bad.
Where should I put my hands?
Put them on the steering wheel.
Like this, at 10 and 2?
Yes, keep them visible. Don't let go.
What if he asks for registration?
Wait until he asks. Do not reach for the glove box now.
He's sitting in his car.
He is checking your license plate.
Why is it taking so long?
It is standard procedure. Just wait.
I'm so nervous. My heart is fast.
Stay calm. Be polite. Call him officer.
Okay, officer. I can do that.
He's getting out of the car now.
I see him in the mirror. He has a flashlight.
Don't look back. Look forward.
Okay, hands on the wheel. Here he comes.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, officer. Good evening.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
No, officer, I don't know.
You failed to stop at the stop sign back there.
The stop sign? I thought I stopped.
You did a rolling stop. You did not stop completely.
Oh, I'm sorry, officer. I didn't realize.
Is this your vehicle?
Yes, it is my car.
Is your address current on your license?
Yes, it is current.
Okay. I need to see your driver's license.
It is in my back pocket. Can I reach for it?
Go ahead, slowly.
Here's my license.
Now I need your proof of insurance and registration.
They're in the glove box.
Okay, reach over and get them.
Opening the glove box now.
Keep your other hand on the wheel.
Yes, officer. Here is the registration.
And the insurance card?
It is this paper here.
Thank you. Sit tight. I'll be right back.
Okay, I will wait here.
Do not exit the vehicle.
I understand. I will stay inside.
That went okay. You were polite.
A rolling stop? Really?
I think you did slow down, but you didn't freeze.
That is so strict.
It is the law. The wheels must stop moving completely.
How much is the ticket?
I don't know, maybe $200?
$200? That is our grocery money.
It is better than an accident.
Why is she taking so long?
She is checking your record on the computer.
My record is clean. I never get tickets.
Then maybe she will give you a warning.
What is a warning?
It means no fine, just a paper that says be careful.
I hope so. I really hope so.
She is talking on his radio.
Is she calling for backup?
No, Tom, relax. It is routine.
Do I look suspicious?
You look like a terrified accountant. You are fine.
My hands are sweating on the wheel.
Just wipe them on your pants, quickly.
She is opening her car door again.
She's coming back.
Here we go.
Remember, smile. Be nice.
Okay, I am ready.
Here are your documents.
Thank you, officer.
Everything looks clear on your record.
That is good news.
However, the stop sign violation is serious.
I understand. It was my mistake.
I am going to issue you a citation today.
A citation? Is that a ticket?
Yes, it is a traffic ticket.
Oh, I see.
I need you to sign this device here.
What does my signature mean?
It is not an admission of guilt.
So I'm not saying I'm guilty.
No, it is just a promise to appear in court or pay the fine.
Okay, I understand. Where do I sign?
Sign right here with your finger.
Okay, signed.
Here's your copy of the citation.
How do I pay this?
The instructions are on the back. You can pay online.
Okay, thank you, officer.
Please be more careful next time. Full stop.
I will, I promise.
Wait until I leave before you pull out.
Okay, I will wait.
Have a safe night.
You too. Goodbye.
Is she gone?
Yes, she turned off her lights.
Let me see the ticket.
Here, it is a long piece of paper.
Let's see. Violation code 22450. Failure to stop.
Does it say the price?
No, the court will mail us the amount.
That is scary. I hate waiting.
Look, at least we are safe.
Yes, I was so scared I would go to jail.
Nobody goes to jail for a stop sign, Tom.
I know, but in the moment you don't think clearly.
You handled it well. You didn't argue.
Arguing is bad. My dad taught me that.
We can pay it online next week.
I need to be more careful. No more rolling stops.
Exactly. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then go.
I will count out loud every time now.
Are you ready to drive?
Give me a second. I need to take a deep breath.
Take your time.
Okay. Breathing in, breathing out.
Turn on your signal. Check the mirror.
The road is clear.
Let's go home and have some tea.
Tea sounds perfect.
And maybe some chocolate.
Yes, lots of chocolate.